Arkana means secret knowledge, and that's exactly what I received. A direct knowledge from the divine that is almost too much for the brain to fully comprehend. What's the intention behind this design?
Abundance.
Abundance?
Yeah. So I just tune into the energetics of it, and then every single dot is with that intention, so it's infused into it.
When you're in the medicine, it's like just somehow bubbles everything to the surface, and it gets all the stuff inside of you out.
Okay, so we are about to do our first ayahuasca ceremony, and we're getting the very rare opportunity to be able to film in the background. I don't really know what to say other than at one point I ran out of the room because I just had a full-on conversation with Source, and I saw my silhouette on a planet, and I was sitting there just like this, and I was asking questions like, what if I die right now? And this voice said, what's death? It's like taking off a jacket. Everything looks more beautiful now.